Make.com offers a native Shopify integration for automating workflows like syncing orders, products, customers, or inventory. No coding required for basic use. Basic connection, recommended for most users. Log in to Make.com, create a new scenario, add a Shopify module, search Shopify in apps. Select a trigger, like watch orders for new orders, or action, for example, create product. Click Create a Connection. Enter your Shopify store subdomain, for example, your store from your store, kmayadishopify.com. A pop-up opens, log into Shopify and authorize Make.com, grants required permissions. Name the connection, save, advanced, custom app for API webhooks. For full access, for example, GraphQL, custom webhooks, in Shopify, admin, settings, apps and sales channels, develop apps, create an app, set admin API scopes needed, install app, copy API key password, in Make.com connection, select custom app, enter domain, key, password,